Hey guys, good morning. How are you? Doing good. Yesterday I came to lab. No one is there in the lab. Only 5 members are there. That too only girls are there. No boys in the labs. What's going on? They're not interested in the labs. Hmm? Yesterday I came at 11 o'clock. Only 5 members are there in the lab. Remaining people are not there in the lab. Then. Okay, open Google. Open Google. Open Google, ma. Everyone able to see my screen? Can you please confirm the chat? Like as I said, online people are not responsive in the class, ma. That is not at all acceptable. I don't know whether you are really listening the class or not because you are so far from me. If you do like this, I will ask you to open camera. Then khatam your jindagi. Okay. Don't do like that. Be responsive in the class. So everyone open now just type the Google Colab. Just type the Google Colab. Google Colab. What happened, सौरव किधर गया कल डिप्रेशन हो जाएगा क्या? Google Colab. Like Jupyter Notebook, we are doing our Python code, right? Jupyter Notebook is one platform, and one more platform name is called Google Colab. One more platform name is called what, ma? Google Colab. And Google Colab is provided by Google only. Google provided by whom? Google only. You need to sign up with your email ID. Sign in with your email ID. Now look at the screen. Now, when you click on the Google Colab, you see, right? Google Colab. Google, then click on this. Please confirm the chat. Everyone good at till this place? Google Colab. Now there's a open Colab is there. Open Colab. Click on the open Colab. Click on open Colab. Now this guy, everyone able to see this guy? Everyone able to see this guy? You are able to see, right? Or you see welcome to collaboratory? Welcome to collaboratory here. In your top left, welcome to collaboratory, and your top right, there is a sign in option will be available for you. For me, I already signed in. What the option will be there, ma? Sign in option will be there. Sign in. Sign in. Click on sign in. Click on sign in. It will ask your Google account. Please confirm. Everyone able to see a sign in option or not? Yes or no? Boys and girls, say loudly. Yes. Sign in karo. Be energetic in the class. Everyone had tiffin or not? You had tiffin, that's why you are sleepy. Huh? Or why? Or what? You're not interested in the class. And then Be energetic. Why you are so dull? Your faces. Which movie you went yesterday night? Arey yaar. I slept night 12 o'clock. I wake up morning 4:30. I didn't eat my tiffin also. And still I am shouting. And you are not responding properly. That is. Sign in karo. Then you will able to see your name, right? After sign in. Nowadays, what happens when you are signing, it asking directly Google account. You don't need to mention any name and all these things. You can just sign up like this. Suppose I'm sign out here. Now the sign in option is there. Now click on sign in. They directly a account details. Click on the account. Click on this. Yeah, very good. Now there is a file. Go to the file option. There is a new notebook available. New notebook available in the file option. Done. Open the notebook. In order to do this, you require internet. You require internet. You required internet. You required internet. Now, if you see here, the connect option is there. What is there? Connect option. Click on the connect. Click on the connect. Click on the connect. Connecting, 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 connected. Once you connected, it will show your RAM and disk. No, it's enough. That's only. No need to do anything. Okay. Once you connected, you will see this RAM and disk. Now, if you take your cursor, if you see, it is a Python 3. It is a Python 3 Google Compute Engine backend. What is the backend running? Google Compute Engine backend is running. How much RAM it is offering? 12.68 GB. Free. Okay. Free. So whenever you want to load the big data, now you want to use Google Colab. That is the one thing. 12.68 GB is the free, right? It's the free. This much data is free. And again, there is the same. The two parts will be available: code part and text part. Text part is nothing but your markdown. Same story. Now click on text part. Write some story. Today I am learning Google Colab. Whatever you are writing, automatically it will display here. It will display here. Suppose you want to change your font size and all these things, will come like this. Today I am learning Google Colab. Same thing, you can upload images also. You can insert the images, you can add the bullet points, you can number list, emojis, and everything will be available. Everything will be available. It is a more than markdown. More than markdown. So you can again shift enter, same thing, shift enter only. Shift enter only. Same how you are doing the same, your local, and here are the same thing. But only the thing it offers the so much data memory. So it is offer huge memory. It offer memory approximately 12.6 GB. 13 GB memory it is offering free. 13 GB memory free. And one more thing is, if you see here, you can change again the name here. You can change the name. You can change the name. And that will be available in the your drive. Where it is available here? It is automatically saved in your drive. If you lost your computer, nothing will happen, nothing will happen. It is there in your Gmail account. Okay, it's there in the Gmail account. So all the notebook automatically will save in the drive. So you can open and you can open the drive also. That is the one thing. And next thing is there the file store will be available here. See file symbol, like same your laptop symbol is here, no? Like symbol is there in your left side. There you can upload the files from the local also. Suppose I'm uploading this data, then this data will be available here. That we'll see later. But data sets also you can upload. Data sets also you can upload, you can read. Always remember only the thing, the file locations, the directories will be different. So directories will be different directories. Like how? Now suppose in your local Jupyter notebook, your directory, you already know that it is a C drive, user, Omkar, like that your directory is there, correct? Yes or no? Everyone know about what is the meaning of directory? Don't fall in the tech shame group, ma. Okay, learn this, all these things. You need to learn this, all this. If you don't know about the directory, now open your Jupyter notebook. Open your Jupyter notebook. Open your Jupyter notebook. Let it come. So what is the code to know the directory? Tell me, what is the code? What is the package? Bolo. हाँ dear. अरे क्या रे? Import OS. What is that? Import OS. Import OS. OS dot get current working directory. What is that, ma? Get current working directory will give what is your directory. So this notebook I opened in which location? See users Omkar documents. Understood? This notebook is opened in which position? See users Omkar documents. If you want to proof, let's track this. Go to here, go to C drive, go to users, go to Omkar, search for documents here and search for Python session dictionary. So that is your directory. That is your dir is to know methods. No, that telephone directory is different. This directory is different. This is your working directory. This is your working directory. In your laptop, you have a C drive, you have a D drive, you have a E drive. Everything will be available, right? So like that, what is your working directory that you need to know. Because you are working in local, suppose if I hand out this code to your friend, his working directory is different. Your working directory is different. The code will not successfully run. Like that, every platform has a different working directories. Correct? Understood? Every platform has a different working directory. In the same way, Google Colab also have some working directory. Google Colab also have some working directory. If I ask you where this bank.csv existed, located, what is the question? Where the bank.csv located? That is the question. Where bank.csv located in Google Colab? That means tell me the location. Tell me the location. Now the same question, where bank.csv located in your local? In your local. Where bank.csv located? In your local. Now come to here. Now in the local, in the data files, I have located here. What is this location? OneDrive, Omkar Personal, Documents, Data Science, Naresh IT, Data Files. In this location, my data is there, correct? You are using bank data here. In the same way, for this is a cloud, right? This is cloud. You are logging through your what? Gmail account. Means it is a cloud account. It is a cloud account. The same location is valid for here? No, the same location is not valid. So what is the location here? There's a 3 dots you see. Click on the 3 dots and there's a copy path. What is there, ma? Copy path and save here. Copy path and here Control V. So this is the location. See, no Omkar, no C drive, nothing. It is a generalized one. Under content, what is there? Bank.csv is there. So this is a directory for whom? Google Colab. And this is the directory for whom? Your local notebook. Like every platform has a different locations, different directories. Because cloud platforms, Omkar doesn't know, Saurav doesn't know, no one knows, right? Cloud platform. How can I Google know me? So that's why they give the generalized directory like this. Generalized directory like this. Understood? Any doubts in this? So understood the directories, understood the locations. Every platform has a different locations. Every platform has a different location. Yeah. Now next, suppose you see here, this is a which account, ma? Azure account. What is the account? Azure account. In the Azure, I created a folder, test folder. There's one more data is what? Review.csv. Again, this directory is different. Again, this directory is different. It is not C drive. It is not Google Colab drive. Maybe Azure is created some drive. So what is the path now? I'm just clicking on this. Suppose this is the URL. Let's see, I'm copying this URL. I'm pasting here. So now this is the directory. This is a test folder. This is the file name. This all is the directory. All is directory. Why Hemant 2810 is coming? Because he created that name here. The name is called Hemant 2810. He created a folder here. He created a folder, a account he created with his name. What is name? Hemant 2810. Tomorrow you created one more name. Tomorrow you created one more name. That means this position will change. This position will change. And this position will be changed. This position will be changed. Remaining everything will be same. Tomorrow what happens? Saurav is created a dummy name called Naresh IT folder. Then what will come now? URL what will come? HTTP Naresh IT dot blob.co.windows.net. Same. He created a folder called with name folder. He created a uploaded a bank data. Then what will come? Bank.csv will come. So like the directories are different. Directories are different. Cloud account has some directory will be there. Google Colab has some directory will be there. Your local will have some directories there. In order that we are a data scientist, no, right? So we'll work on what? Data. So that side where is data is located, that we need to understand the location parts. So many people doesn't know about this. They'll confuse. They'll confuse. So that's why the directories are very, very important. Directories are very, very important. Can you please confirm that chat? Everyone is good? Good now? Yes. Next. Come to here now. And the best use of one more thing is called click on the runtime. Click on the runtime. There's a change runtime option will be there. Change runtime option will be there. Able to see, right, everyone? Now if you click on, now see it is provided one CPU, one GPU, one TPU. Free. So GPU, TPU are to speed your process. Those who doesn't know at least now. Your computer laptop will work on CPU. Okay. If you want to make a GPU, you need to go to internet center. You need to pay the money and they will give one GPU. GPU is nothing but graphical processing unit. CPU means central processing unit. TPU means tensor processing unit. You should know these full forms also. Okay, you decided to become data scientist. So whatever I'm teaching, 100% you should remember. Okay, otherwise people will see you different way. After you go into, if you don't know about, if your manager asking what is TPU, sir, I don't know, sir. Then how your manager will think about you? Okay, that's why learn everything. TPU, though it is offering one GPU free, one TPU is free. If you want to access purchase additional computing unit, purchase means what? You need to pay the money. So that's why Google Colab is a very famous. They are the more memory they are offering free, and they're offering the speeding process also free. So suppose if you're not able to run in your local, immediately what is your trigger point? Open the Google Colab and run it, it will work. Remember that. Okay? Easy? And one more thing, if you see here, the best thing is import some packages you don't need to install. Some package you don't need to install. Suppose import CV2 I'm doing, import CV2 I'm doing. Suppose if this is already, I did not do. This is, if you're local, if you remember in the starting class, we install this. I remember that. We done OpenCV Python. We install this. Now starting class. Now here no need to install that. Automatically is there. Like some packages you don't need to install. Automatically the Google is ready with that packages. Automatically the Google is ready with packages. Suppose you got the error. You got the error. A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. And you got C into B. C into B. Whenever you got the error, it will give the link search Stack Overflow. What is this meaning of error also? It will ask to, you can search in the Google also. If you click on this, what happened? You directly go to the Google and there is somebody help you. Somebody will help you. Names is not defined means they will give some information here. Somebody like this. Even though you got the error, Google will support you where you want to search about the error. Where you want to search about the, but nowadays everyone using ChatGPT, but before ChatGPT, Stack Overflow is the best part. Stack Overflow. What is Stack Overflow means? It is like nothing but a Quora. You know Quora? Somebody will ask the question and so many will give the answers, right? Here also somebody will give the question. So this is question and this is his answers. So many right tick means that is a good answer. That number will come. Only 0. Only 0. Like so many means that is working for them. Like so many answers they will provide. So that is called Stack Overflow. What is ma? Stack Overflow. In order to search any error kind of things. Still so many people, developers will use Stack Overflow only. There are so many memes also on Stack Overflow. Memes and Stack Overflow. Okay. See here. I heard he can code without Stack Overflow. So that much famous Stack Overflow. Understood? Every code, everything, 90% you can get from Stack Overflow. That idea you can get, not code. Why I'm getting error? Because you know Python, you can able to track that. That is. So many memes are there in this. Yeah. I've seen one more funny image also recently. Let's see one image. I will show you that. The image is coming that I will show you that. This is one funny image I've seen this. Who wants to learn Python? Raise your hands. Who wants to learn maths? Who wants to become a data scientist? Everyone wants to become a data scientist without maths. That is the funny thing. Okay, this is one funny image. So that is the one. Now you understood, right? What is the importance of Google Colab? So many AI projects will work on the Google Colab only. So many AI projects will work on the Google Colab because in your local will not support. Local will not support. Yeah, so we're done. Second platform we're done. Now onwards you want to practice, you can practice. If you want to practice, you can do practice on the Google Colab. You want to get the exposure, okay? Yeah, let's open the Python now. Put side heading, dictionary methods. Dictionary methods. And one more important announcement, ma. You don't have class on Thursday. Thursday, no class. Thursday, no class. Some people are in depression, right? So I'm giving the holiday for them. Those are in depression. Thursday, no class. Thursday is all day. Thursday is all day for you. All day for you. Thursday is all day. Enjoy Thursday. Okay. Yeah, World Cup depression. World Cup depression. Thursday is all day. I'm going to my hometown. I have some family function is there. So that's why nothing, not for depression. Okay. If you want to come, you can come with me to my home. Okay. I'm inviting you all to my function. That is. Anyhow, Thursday I will not eat non-veg, but at least I can serve you non-veg. Okay. I can serve you the non-veg. So Thursday no class, ma. Again, don't do unnecessary comments in the WhatsApp group. Thursday no class. Remember that. Okay, very good. DIR of this. And clear is there. Copy is there. From keys is there. Get is there. Items is there. Keys, pop item, set default, update and values. I'm very much interested on three things now, the starting onwards. Items, keys, and values together. Items, keys, and values. Items and keys and values. So DIR, you know, right? The strings is generally how look like strings, quotations, and list look like square bracket, and dictionary look like it is curly braces. If we want to write, you can write anything, or you can simply provide this also, it will works. This also it will works. DIR, directory. Now let's take the first one. D1. So this is the D1. This is the D1. Now let's check the items. What is items now? Items D1 dot. It is a method. So what do you want to call? Items bracket. Items bracket. Then immediately you can search the shift tab. Is the function taking any arguments? No arguments. So it will run as usual. It will run as usual. What is coming? Items means Ram 25, Rahim 30, Robert 35. It's together it is giving. And next one is called keys. D1 dot keys. D1 dot keys. Again shift tab. Keys is not taking anything. So what output it will provide? Only keys it will retrieve. What is the keys here? Ram, Rahim, Robert. And similarly, values. Now D1 dot values. D1 dot values. The bracket like this. And values you will get. Values you will get. So D1 dot items and D1 dot keys and D1 dot values. It is easy, straightforward, but I'm not much interested on this. I'm interested, what is this coming in the before? What is the type of this? What is the type of this? Is this a list? It's a string. What is the type of this? I'm much interested on this. What is the type of this? I'm much interested on this. Now let's do that. Type of D1 dot items. What is coming? Type 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 of D1 dot items. If you want to save in a variable, you can take that also. I'm fine. Okay. Items equal to items. Save in a variable and write the D1 dot items. What is the type, ma? Dict items. DICT items. It is coming type of dict items, but it's coming in the which color? Black color only, not in green color. Some अजीब लगता है क्या? It is coming to some different, right? Now let's do this also. Keys equal to keys. Now again type of TYP type of keys. What is coming? That is dict dot keys. Same thing is coming. Similarly, what will come here? Values को values आ गए. Values को values. So values equal to values and type of TYPE type of values. That is called dict values. Now it is coming a list. Suppose we know that L1 is equal to 25, 30, 35. Now L1 dot. Tell me one method, ma. Tell me one method. Which method you want? Suppose L1 dot append of 40. Now what is L1 now? L1 is equal to 25, 30, 35, 400. Now if I want to do the same thing, values dot append. Enter tab. It is there? Not there. It is? Because it is not a list. Because it is not a list. List has list methods. String has string methods. Dictionary has dictionary methods. You can't use all the together, right? So if you want to perform any operation, you don't want to perform any operations. You don't need to perform any operations here. That's why we need to convert this into list. That's why we'll convert into list. So that's why we here values, this values I want to convert into a list. I want to convert into a list. So here list list of values. What is there, ma? List of values. Now let's see. I'm just checking. See, it is converted now. It is converted. Then you can apply the list methods. Then you can apply the list methods. Then you can apply list methods. So what I'm saying is, it is look like a list, but it's not a list. Remember that. It will look like list, but it's not a list. You need to convert into list in order to perform the more operations. Because you know list methods very well. So items, keys, and values you can convert. That is. Now values I have private. Now let's come to the keys. Now let's apply the list of keys. List of keys. Now this is called values list. Values list. And this is called values list. And this was keys list. Keys list equal to case list. So interviewer will ask you two questions. The first question I ask you, I will give the dictionary. Can you extract keys and values separately in a list. In a list. That is the first question. And second question, I will give two lists. Can you create a dictionary? Can you create a dictionary? The two list is what? One is keys list. Another one is the values list. Can you make the dictionary? Both we have done in the class. Okay. Now what you have done? This is the above answer. This is the above answer. Now tell me, I will give the dictionary. I'll give the dictionary. What is your dictionary? This is the dictionary. This is the dictionary. This is the dictionary. Can you extract the keys and values separate in a list? Now tell me. Tell me. How can you do? Tell me. Key is equal to d1 dot keys bracket and that list conversion. Correct? And values equal to list of d1 dot values. d1 dot values. d1 dot values. So one part is done. Can we do opposite part? Now we have list is ready. Can you create the dictionary? Now create it. I have two lists. One keys list I have. Another one is the values list I have. Can you make the dictionary? Can you make the dictionary? Yesterday we have seen. Yesterday we have seen. Take empty dictionary. Take empty dictionary and create the dictionary. Yesterday we have seen. Those who are not do, that shows the lack of practice, ma. Yesterday we have seen this is. I have had two lists is there. Can I make the dictionary? Yeah. For in chip of keys and values. Next what? That's it. Done. Yesterday we done this. Done. Very good. Yesterday we discussed, I specified more clearly creating an empty list, creating empty string, creating empty dictionary. I told or not? That you need to remember, I said. Yes or no? Still, if you're not able to do it, don't come to my class, ma. Really, I'm saying, don't come to my class. Yesterday, I told very clearly. You need to learn how to create empty dictionary. You need to learn how to create empty string. You need to know how to create empty list. You need to know how to write the counter program. You need to know how to write the summation program. This all I'm every time I'm specifically I'm mentioning you. Still, if you're not forgetting, if you're not able to remember the idea, I mean, that is very, very bad. That is very, very bad. That is. How many are done? Raise your hands. Now, yesterday we seen the list comprehension method. Here is the keys. Here is the values. Correct. Then for key, comma, values in zip of keys, comma, values. Correct. If you want to provide I comma j, you can provide I comma j. That is your wish. I comma j, and then here what will come? I comma j. This is we done yesterday. And one more method we done same thing in the same way. We take an empty dictionary. D1 is equal to empty dictionary for I in range of, because both are same thing, length of keys or values you can take, both are fine. Then D1 square bracket I equal to values square bracket I. Value square bracket I. But here instead of D1, here I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, right? We need to provide keys of square bracket I. Keys of square bracket I. This also will works. D1. Same. Because I equal to what here? 0. Keys of 0 means what? ROM will come. D1 of ROM equal to values of 0. That is called 25. So this case here working here, D1 square bracket, key square bracket 0 equal to value square bracket 0. Key square bracket 0 means what is the value? ROM. Value square bracket 0 means what is the value? 25. So the corresponding answer is D1 square bracket ROM equal to 25. This is one method. This is one method. Yesterday, if you observe in the chart, that is what is another method? Dict of, zip of both keys, comma values. That is also one method. So many methods are there. If interior will give list, you are ready to able to the list. Dictionary. If interior given the dictionary, are you able to make it a list or not? This is a very, very high level use cases in coming onwards in the industry. Very, very high level use cases these are. Because our job is mostly on the what? Strings, list, dictionary. Are you playing with these three or not? Then only it will depends. String, list, and dictionary. Understood, my everyone? So whenever I'm telling you that this you need to learn, mean that definitely you need to learn. So let's see. A string one is called, let's do a program now. Suppose Virat.Kohli at the rate, this franchise is Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore.com. Same thing, comma, Rohit.Sharma at the rate Mumbai.com. Mumbai.com. Mumbai. Mumbai.com. And KL.Rahul. Who is franchise? Lucknow. Lucknow.com. So think like that here. KL Rahul work for Lucknow, correct? And Rohit Sharma work for Mumbai. And Virat Kohli work for Bangalore. Your output should be like this. Your output should be a dictionary, first name, colon, a list of, Virat is the first name, and Rohit is the first name, and KL is the first name, comma, second name, colon, and Kohli is the second name, Kohli, comma, and Sharma, comma, Rahul. That is the second name. And finally, company, colon, Bangalore, comma, Mumbai. This question frequently I'm asking in interviews now. Okay, same question. I need this output. Same question I'm asking you. Frequently I'm asking the question in the interview. Same Python question, only one Python question. I'm giving the time like 10 minutes. Your time starts now. That is the question and this is the output. Do it. I'll be back. Give me 1 minute. So those who are done, please show me your answer. This type of questions we already done in the class, but we are just now, we are combining strings and list and dictionary together now. Correct? String is there, list is there, dictionary. Only one question is enough to test your Python knowledge. This one question is enough to test the Python knowledge. First, take only how to separate the three values that you separate first. How can you separate these three guys? Think about that. Which method you want to apply? That is a string. So what is the method there in the string? Think about that. Done, ma? Done. Come. Hmm. Do that in list comprehension. Na? Everyone is single list comprehension. 3 lines. Very good. So one person is done. Hmm. Split it. Very good, Srikanth. You split it. You will separate Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, and KL Rahul. Correct? And that people come in a list. Then what? Then next, what you will do? You will take only one guy and understand how to get the first name and how to get the second name. Take only Virat Kohli and Bangalore.com. Create the logic. And that logic should apply for Rohit Sharma as well as KL Rahul. Done. Last. Surrender, done. Yeah, Deepak. Split हो गया string. S1 dot split, comma. 3 values came out. That is done, everyone. At least. Virat Kohli at the red Bangalore.com, comma, Rohit Sharma, comma, and KL Rahul. Come in list, right? Take Virat Kohli first. Under Virat Kohli, how can you extract the Virat? From starting to first dot, right? This we done already. If you want, I can show you this. We have taken only single value and we extracted three names. I don't know why you people are doing this much time. In this, we extracted Virat. In this, we extracted Kohli. In this, we extracted Bangalore also. This question we already done in the class. This question we did. This question we did in the class. And again, you are doing taking 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes time. This question we did in the class. And the same logic applicable for Rohit Sharma and same for Rahul. And still you are doing 10 minutes time. We already did in the class. Arey. Yes. Company name Lucknow. Why only Lucknow came? Where is Bangalore? Where is Bangalore ma? Append. Append करना थे. Append. Don't look at the answer. We already did in the class. That's why I'm worrying so much. That means same question if I give next day also you're not able to do. Same question. I will see where we have done. Let's see. Somewhere we did this. See this, we done already. Omkar.nalagoni@cognizant.com. We did class in the already, that is. That means you are not practicing, no? Admit that at least. Yes, we are not practicing. Where that in the class? So S1 is, this is a S1. So step 1 is what? S1 dot split, right? Split in the comma. How many came? 3 people are separated, right? Now take the first one. Don't do a direct attack. You are panicked by doing the direct attack. So what I'm saying that take only separately. This is first. Take this separately first by manually. By manually take this separately first. In this, tell me, I want to extract only Virat. So what is the common sense I am saying? Virat before dot is there. Virat is there what? Before dot. So first what I need to find? Dot I need to find. Find of dot. Correct? This will give a number. Yes or no? This will give a number. So again, so str1 square bracket till 5. Till 5, who will come? Virat came. But instead of 5, what you required? We need to put this. Because our expression should be what? Generalized one. Then I'm copying this. I'm pasting here. First name came. This is about first name. And this is valid for any name. Even Rohit Sharma also you take, it will valid. Even KL Rahul also it will valid. So this is what? First name. This is what? First name. How many done this? First name. Raise your hands. First name. If you're not able to do this, means that is very bad, ma. You're not getting that. So what should I do? I'm giving my best, but till now, second one. Now, second one, Kohli. Kohli will, how Kohli will come? He between dot and at the rate, correct? Dot you already know. Dot you already know. Then what do you need to find? At the rate, find it, no? str1 dot find of at the rate. What is the number? 11. Number is what? 11. So now str1 square bracket. So this is the str1 find is the first one. Colon. And this is the second one. When we do this, what happen? You are getting dot, right? Dot Kohli is coming. But we don't want dot. So what we need to add here? Plus 1 we need to add. That's it. This is the second name. This is the second name. Second name also be done. And what is the third name? What is the company name? Company name. Now, company name is between whom and whom? At the rate and second dot. At the rate and at the rate already is coming at the rate this is. And second dot you know how to find. How to find the second dot? str1 dot find. I want to find the second dot, comma. Where you want to start look? From K. You want to start look from K. That means again the same thing. Plus 1. Plus 1. This is the second dot. This will be discussed in the class. Now that finally you will get str1 colon from at the rate plus 1 colon. This is the answer. Plus 1. Bangalore. This is the company name. This is the company name. For Virat Kohli, we got the first name, second name, and third name. And this is str1. We are taking is what? str1. But we are iterated from whom? S1. We are iterated from S1. So I am taking this, and this is my output. Now str1 for str1 in S1. That's it. Square bracket for str1 in S1. Done. Square bracket. This is output for str1 in S1. Because this is entire thing about output, right? This output is what? str1 means Virat Kohli. But this str1 now we are taking from home. S1. S1 first Virat Kohli will come. Next Rohit Sharma will come. Next KL Rahul will come. Virat Kohli में Virat आता, Rohit Sharma में Rohit and KL Rahul से KL will come. That will everything will go into the F name. A list method, that is S1 dot split. S1 dot split and S1 dot split. Now tell me where you have done the mistake now. Split. Where is that now? Third one, huh? Okay. Because I know STR1 is Virat Kohli, means 3 are coming. This I know, this is my output. I know that. Now STR1 I need to pick from where? From a list, right? So first Virat is coming, Rohit is coming, and S name, and finally C name. That's it. Tell me where you have done mistake. If this is the 100% answer, how many had done at least 70%? How many had done at least 70%? Tell me in the answer in the chat. How many done at least 70%? Everyone understood the solution now? Everyone understood? Please confirm everyone understood. You are not able to do, I don't know why. This I had written directly. If you don't want directly, again you need to take like how? F name equal to empty list for str1 in s1 dot split and this comma colon, then you need to write entire thing. This is you need to write and you need to append f name dot append of bracket. You need to write like this, right? Because str1 is first to whom? Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli mein first name will come, and that we are saving what? F name. Like that you need to write. But I am writing directly. Understand where you are getting the mistake, ma. Where you are getting the mistake. Still you are doing the syntax error mistake. That is not at all appreciable. Okay. Understand why you are not able to do it. Very simple. Now first you need to extract the dot, next extract the @ next extract the second dot, getting the index between that. And now we want to make what? Dictionary, right? Now D1 square bracket first name equal to F name, and similarly second name, third name, second name, and company name, S name and company name. What happened, Saurav? Done? D1. This is the answer, ma. This is not required. D1 is required. That's it. If you have any doubts, please ask me. If you don't have doubt, think about that why you are not able to do. Because we already did in the class. That is I am worrying so much. We already done in the class, still you are not doing means something is fishy. Either you are not understanding my classes or you are not studying very well. I know that first one is anyhow that is wrong. That is, I have confidence on me. Okay. ఎఫ్ నేమ్ ఇచ్చేసావు. ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ ఇలా రావాలనుకున్నావా? కేఎల్ మరి ఇది లిస్ట్ అది ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఎఫ్ నేమ్ కదా ఇది. ఎఫ్ నేమ్ అనేది ఇది నీకు కీ అయిపోయింది కదా. అప్పుడు నువ్వు ఇది లిస్ట్ ఎందుకు అవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ ఒక పేరు తీసుకోవాలి నువ్వు. ఇప్పుడు ఇది df1 డాట్ ఎఫ్ నేమ్ అనేది ఏమైపోయింది? అది నీకు లిస్ట్ కాదు కదా, అది నీకు కీ. కీకి సంబంధించి ఆ వాల్యూ నువ్వు ఇస్తున్నావు అంతే. ఎఫ్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు కేఎల్ ఒకటే అయిపోతుంది, లాస్ట్ వన్ ఒకటే వస్తుంది, లాస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఒకటే వస్తుంది. ఇది లిస్ట్ కాదు కదా. ఇది D1లో నువ్వు ఒక కీని బయటికి తీసుకున్నావు, వాడు లిస్ట్ ఎందుకు అవుతాడు? ఓకే, నువ్వు ఇలా పెట్టుకుంటున్నావు, సపోజ్ ఇలా అవుతుందని అనుకుంటున్నావు కదా. అప్పుడు నీకు అలా అయినప్పుడు ఒక పని చేయి. అప్పుడు నీకు ఓన్లీ ఐ ఒకటే తీసుకున్నావు అనుకో, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ ఐ తీసుకున్నావు అనుకో, అప్పుడు ఐ అనేది నువ్వు ఇక్కడ ఇనిషియలైజ్ చేసుకొని ఈ పైన ఐ ఈక్వల్ టు లిస్ట్ అని సపోజ్ జస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా చెప్తున్నా. ఐ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇలా తీసుకున్నాం అనుకుందాం, అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఐ పెట్టుకుందాం అనుకుందాం, ఇక్కడ ఐ పెట్టుకుందాం అనుకుందాం. అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏం రావాలి నీకు? ఐ రావాలి కదా. రెండు ఐలు సేమ్ అయిపోయినాయి. రెండు ఐలు సేమ్ అయిపోయినాయి. ఇక్కడ I1 తీసుకో, ఇక్కడ I1 తీసుకో, ఇక్కడ I1 తీసుకో. ఇప్పుడు ఏమొచ్చింది? ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసింది కదా. ఇక్కడ I2 తీసుకో, ఇక్కడ I3 తీసుకో. అది డైరెక్ట్ అలా తీసుకోలేదు, అది అన్నది నాకు అర్థమైంది, కానీ వేరియబుల్ అసైన్ చేసుకొని తీసుకుంటే తీసుకుంటుంది కదా. ఇప్పుడు అలా చేసుకో, చెప్పమ్మా. రైన్ జే ఇన్ జిప్ ఆఫ్ అయిపోయింది కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనకు ఫస్ట్ నేము విరాట్ కోహ్లీ, సెకండ్ నేము ఇది, థర్డ్ నేము ఇది. ఇప్పుడు కీస్ ఒకటి వాల్యూస్ ఒకటి లాగా వచ్చింది అనుకో, సపోజ్ కీస్ ఒకటి వాల్యూస్ ఒకటి, కానీ ఆ కీకి ఈ వాల్యూ అలా ఉండదు. ఫర్ ఐ ఇన్ జిప్ ఆఫ్ సేమ్ ఇదే తీసుకొని ఓన్లీ ఇదే పార్ట్ తీసుకో. ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ డిఐసిటీ పెడితే అదే వస్తుంది అలా. Understood everyone? Can you please confirm the chat? Can you please confirm the chat? Yes. Next question. Can okay. I need word frequency. Can is how many times repeated? You how many times repeated? Can are how many times repeated? I need word frequency so that you can know which word is bigger, more frequent repeated words, right? I told you, right, one question. Most frequent repeated word in the entire sentence. So your output should be like this. This is str1. Your output should be like this. A dictionary. Can how many times repeated? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And next, you how many times repeated? 2, huh? Like this answer will come. Canner how many times repeated? 2. And again able to. Again able is 1 time repeated. And again 2 is 1 time repeated. So if you achieve this, so many answers they will ask in interview based on this. What is the biggest repeated word? That is can. Can is repeated 4 times. Yeah, practice is required. It is called word frequency problem. Word frequency. Word frequency. Enjoy the question answer process, ma. Don't get bored. Don't depress yourself. Don't discourage. First, same thing. Split it. You'll get a list. Okay. Iterate a loop for loop. For I in str1 dot split. Each word will come. Each word will come. How many times that word is there? Check that. In the list method count is there or not? Check it. Is the question that is. Three lines the question will done. Step 1. Split the str1. Step 2. You will get a list. What you will get, ma? You will get a list, correct? You will get a list. Then iterate through loop. Iterate through loop. When you iterate through loop, what will come? Each letter will print. Each word will print. Each word will print. Now in step 3, you know count, right? In the list one dot count method is there. The list one dot count of that word. If you provide that word here, it will give the number. It will give the number. And before also take the empty dictionary. Empty dictionary you take. And you know the word. Word is nothing but I. And you know the number. And you can make the dictionary. Simple lines. Make the dictionary. You know the number and you know the word. A simple code, ma. Done? I'm expecting at least 10 answers from this. Very, very simple this is. You need to play with Python. Okay. Then you'll become a good developer. The good developer has always more confident. And he can minimum survey 10 years in industry. Minimum 10 years. So this answer came. Can equal to 4, u equal to 2, canner equal to 2. Now from that you can easily say that which word is more repeated? Can is more repeated. It's a very, very frequent interview question. What is the biggest word? Also you can say that. Canner is the biggest word. What is the smallest word? Also you can say that. Most repeated smallest word also you can say that. That's it, ma. Very good. Yeah, I'm giving my best in the to teach you, to train you in the lots of questions and everything. The only thing is you need to practice, ma. You need to practice a lot. Go to the labs, practice all day, and go in the evening and again practice. Forget about World Cup depression, movies, and all the things. Practice, practice, practice. How many are done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What happened, girls? What happened, ma? Try in different way. Come here. Yes, Srikanth, you are coming one day and you are not coming another day. List one data append. Why this much? I don't think so. You require all these things. Use this method. The list one, suppose you got a number equal to 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2. You have list one dot count is directly you have. Every word will come and you put every word here. No, no, who said unique one? Most repeated words. How can it is unique one? Can it become 4? That only the question. That only. Automatically given. Na? Can will give automatically 4. You already splitted. List one came. This is not required. And this is all not required. Simply this one. List one dot count of I. Number will come. That only our use case. This. Why you want to store again? We want this output, no? I know your doubt. See, so first of all, scan is only one word. From this only one word will come. And every time you update, what is the latest will take? Can only will fix. But only the key value will be latest one will take, right? Can will not change. Aja. Gaddam Puneet, very good, very good, very good. Because error here. No need ma, because you can directly apply the count method. Can directly apply the count method. See, step one is this is the step one. Everyone done step one. And this is the step two. Everyone done step two. And this is the step three. Your answer is done. What is the big deal in this? What's the big deal in this? Whatever I written steps, I have written the code. See here. You see the steps and you see the code. See the step and see the code. I'm teaching a Chinese language, same thing. How the Hindi language, Telugu language, the conversion that is. Step one is split the string. I split it. Step two is iterate through loop. Iterated. Step four is the list one dot count. Counted. And you know the word, you know the number. Can a dot. Which was less than 1? Cannot, that is the less than 1. Then you need to do again the different way, no? Because where you are splitting with that. This you are saying it is element in the list. Okay. So what you are saying, this is str1 dot split with the space is there. Okay. You are getting this cannot dot. That's why you are getting the cannot dot is there. Then you can do now if dot present in the word. Do one more condition. If dot in I means what? Cannot dot. Then take only I that word till canner only. Remove the dot by using index operator. That is a specific case. Remaining case is remaining else. Like that you can do. At least you do one thing, guys. Whatever I teach in the class, whatever I done given the assignment, do 1,000 times. You will crack Python interview. Real I'm saying, you crack Python interview, do 1,000 times. No need to do anything. Key value. Which value you want to print now? Okay. What is your keys is coming, Saurav? D1 dot keys. D1 dot values. You should not ask me all these things. I'm expecting this. List 1. ये क्या होता? List 1. Now what is the maximum in this? 4. Maximum of list 1 is what? How much? Max is how much now will come? 4. How to get the index of 4? List 1 D1 dot values. I'm giving direct. Maybe you will confuse. Dot index of how much you are getting? 0. And again you want maximum, na? The list 1 D1 square bracket. If I write like this, you will gone, but general I will write like this. Okay. That's it. But I will show you to breakdown. But generally I know Python very well. So I will directly write like this. My mind will work like that only because I know how to write. So how can I write you? Now what is he asking? What is asking? This is a one keys value. It is a keys value. And the next one is what? Values. It is a values value. And it is the values. What is the idea here? Keys, comma, values. Here 4 is related to whom? Can. That means this index both are same. If I extract this index, automatically I can get past the index value same. So my idea is extract the index of this. Extract the index of this. How can I extract the index of that? Maximum of values will give the 4. And what is your list name? So this is I equal to this 4. Then values dot index of I. How much? 0 आ गया 0. Now this index will pass into keys. Keys square bracket 0. Can came. But 0 how can we pass? Directly values dot index. How I will pass? Maximum of values. Like this. Like this will pass. You can play with Python now onwards. I'm expecting that. You should not ask these questions to me. Understood, Saurav? You should not ask these questions to me. Next. Next question. D1 equal to A equal to 20 and B equal to 30 and C equal to 40. D2 equal to A equal to 50 and B equal to 100 and C equal to 200 and output equal to A equal to 70 and B equal to 130 and C equal to 240. Understood the question? Afan? Understood? Avesh, how you are doing? Doing? Last two questions done? A equal 70, B equal 130, C equal 240. Understood, Vikas? Anudeep, how we are doing? Easy way? Vikas, Utkarsh, Abhishek, Sabita, Nikita, Shoaib, Utkarsh, Abhishek, Nikita, Anudeep, Suresh. Only repeated names are coming out of 40 members. Again, only 10 members. Yogesh Naidu, Venkat Challa, Sravanti, Sriya. What happened, Shankar? You are not talking. Sahiti. And Ramesh. Pragati. Pradeep. Neeraj is okay. Naveen. Monali. Manasa. Laddu. Lokesh. Rahul. Pravalika. Hamza, you are not talking. Gantasala Veeranjaneyulu. Wow. Gaurav. Bhumika. Manohar. Yeah, these people are not talking at all. When I say the names, 2 persons are gone in the class. Before starting a pronouns, 42 are there. Now 40 are there. 2 persons are gone. Done. See how beautiful questions we are doing. These questions are more than enough to crack the Python. At least remember the question. By heart the questions. By heart the answers. Go home and by heart it. Because you are forgetting I dot capitalize. And now you are forgetting the already done in the class. We did in the class, again you are not able to do. The only thing is by heart the answers. At least 100 questions be done till in the class. Only in the class, 100 questions at least. All the Python. That is enough. And again assignment questions and answers. Again more 100. 200 questions. Practice 10 times each. 2000. And you'll crack the Python interview easily. After statistics completed, those who are not able to do Python, I will throw them out. Okay, really I will throw them out with my hands. So after this Python will complete in this week. Next statistics, 10 days statistics. That's the theory part. What we learn in the class that we will implement in the Python again. And the data set. If you are not able to do at the time, I will throw you out. Okay. You have 10 days time now. You have 10 days time. Done. Very good. Very good. Vikas is done. Neeraj is done. Acha Shankar. Okay. You can paste in the WhatsApp group if you want. Those who are talk with me frequently, they know I can remember their names because we have 100 batch people are there. Who can talk to me? They know I can remember the name, no? Otherwise, how can I remember your names? Especially online people. Offline means I am every day I'm seeing their faces. Okay, those who are done, I'll give a different question the same way. Suppose D equal to 500. So there is D is not there. So automatically D should pop up here. First one is the equal length, ma. Second one is the different length. First one is the equal length. Second one is the different length. Then your actual work will start when it is in different length. Okay, when it is equal length, that is a 2 GB question only. You can do that is when it is both are equal. How many done the first one? What happened, girls? What happened, ma? You're feeling like final with RCL match or what? So D1 of I. Where is another answer, ma? Neeraj. So if I change into D1, D2. So whichever is the, you know this, whichever is the maximum, whichever is equal, na? Suppose I given this in the different way. Again, you will manually you are thinking. Don't do manual thinking, Neeraj. Are you getting what I'm saying, Neeraj? The code should take automatically. Either D1 or D1, D2. Which one you want to take automatically, the code should take. The code should take automatically. Come to this first one, ma. First one is both are equal. If length of D1 equal to length of D2, both are same, right? Both length are same. Print okay. Yeah, print okay. Both length are same. Then you take any one is fine. For I in D1 is fine. Now I in D1 means who will come, ma? What is I here? Only keys will come. A, B, C. But I don't want keys. I want to add the values, right? I want to add the values. So D1 of I need to add plus D2 of I also I need to add, correct? Both I need to add. D1 of I how much? 20. D2 of I how much? 50. And this value again you need to create a new dictionary. A new dictionary. That is, if you want to take a new dictionary, your wish, D3 equal to empty dictionary. First one is A is equal to 70. So what should come? D3 square bracket I. Yes or no? Who is I? A. Who is I? A. D3 of A. Now this value is nothing but D3 of A equal to D1 of A plus D2 of A. Yes or no? What is D1 of A? How much? 20. D2 of A how much? 50. In the starting class only I teach you that how to make a empty dictionary, correct? This is the method or not? That's it. Then answer is done. Answer is done. Then D3 is your answer is this. That is your answer. If lengths are different, which one you to take? Like that, you need to think about the different lengths. If lengths are easy, we are taking is enough. One is enough because this I can be here also there. This I can be here also there. Correct. Practice ma practice. One thing I am happy, you are not making any syntax errors. Okay. If you're still making a syntax error means that is your absolutely fault for you. Understood what I'm saying is? You should avoid the syntax errors where you are putting colon, are you missing the indentation error, are you putting the name error, that all syntax error you are avoiding or not, that question yourself. And second one is getting the logic. Getting the logic is okay, I will accept. My logic is different, your logic is different, your friend logic is different. Maybe I can get in 1 hour, you may get in 10 minutes. That is okay, fine. But how can I reduce my time? How can I reduce my time? By practice same method of questions. By practice same method of question. That only I am able to do. I am making you always. And give the same type of questions every time. First avoid the syntax errors. Then create your own logic. Don't run behind about the answers. If it is 1 hour or 2 hour, think about the logic. Then slowly after 6 months, after 1 year, you will get the logics. It will take some time. It will take some time. Don't worry about that. Very D with this. Something missed my me then. Hmm. Good, good. Yeah. So strings list and dictionary, very, very important for any Python developer. For any Python developer. Not only Python developer, if you want to become a data scientist also, these are very, very important. Yeah. Yeah, try this at home. Try this at home. It will come, don't worry. Bolo. Which logic? On different lengths. Take the different length and take the maximum one. Na? If length of D1 greater than length of D2, iterate through D2. Otherwise, iterate through D1. That's it. Because both are same, that's why we are taking any one here. If D1 is greater than, then iterate through D1. That's it. Simple. Same logic. Same logic will works. Same logic will works. D2 of D, it is not there. What will come here? D2 square bracket D. The key error is coming. So here you will get a key error, right? Whichever is the more than greater than, whichever is the maximum length, whichever is maximum length, iterate through that dictionary. Iterate through that dictionary. It will works. It will works. Sabita saying thank you, sir. Have a good day. That means she is saying that it's okay to stop the class. I didn't say that I'm leaving, but she is saying that thank you, sir. What, Sabita? Huh? Huh? My auntie name also Sabita only. Which one, ma? This one? And this one, no, different length one. Which one different length? This one, huh? You want output? Arey, kya Saurav? You can try it, it will come. I given the idea, na? It will come. Before last batch, actually there is a free Python class is there. Okay. For you, they stop the Python class. Free Python session is available before batch. That means they can go and they can listen the Python of other trainer. So they learned here and again they went there. Other trainer, mostly they will choose KV Rao sir classes and they will went and they will attend. But this time we remove you. We removed. But because of management discussion that is happened, why means the secondary case. But whenever the same process happened in the other trainers, they did not teach the Python that much in that depth. Now also they are not teaching in this depth. Okay, you can ask and check that. That means the students are definitely lost. Because KV sir classes is not there again, the special case. So now the same trainers is teaching the same way only. Like Python is already completed. We are taking 1 month, no? How much we are taking? 1 month we're taking. But still you people are not realizing. Still you people are not realizing. Because you are forgetting about I capitalize is okay, fine. We already did in the same question in the class. Again, you are not doing that. That. Don't ask me again why it is happened like that. You need to check the logic. I did not taken. That is somebody, Neeraj has provided the answer, not my answer. Okay. Don't ask me get me the logic, okay? Python is very, very important. Okay, this week we'll finish the Python, ma. This week we'll finish the Python. So next statistics will start. And next EDA with Python. Okay, EDA with Python will come. At this time, if you are not able to perfect the concepts, definitely even 1% is there in the class, I will teach to them. I will teach to him. Even 1% is there in the class, also fine for me. I am saying very, very strongly this is. Even 1% is there in my class also is fine for me. If you are not able to perfect by this time Python, that means you are not fit. I will ask the management to give your fees wapas. Okay, really. I will request the management. Even 1% is there in the class also, I will teach. But have a 10 days time, buffer time is there. 10 days buffer time is there. Because this is a theory. So once theory will done, again we'll start our EDA. What theory we will learn here, that we need to implement using Python. The theory, the textbook theory, now will convert into coding language. That is, then your actual job will start. So these all are warm up. Python is a warm up. Yeah. Go to the labs, practice more. Yo-yo test. Yeah, correct. Yo-yo test. Yeah. Thank you, ma. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Hey, Surender, at least give to others to chance to try, no? Why you are pasting answers in the chat? Let them try once. Later in the evening, late night, you will put the answer, okay? Let them try. Delete that. Let them try first. Because they will take care your answer and they will not able to think about later. What is yo-yo test? Search in Google. Virat Kohli will talk about yo-yo test. You don't know yo-yo test really? Don't know yo-yo test? Or what? In cricket yo-yo test. Modi